Hello kids, today we are going to learn opposite words. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's start. Boy. Opposite of boy is girl. Big. Opposite of big is small. Good. Opposite is bad. Thick. Opposite of thick is thin. Happy. Opposite of happy is sad. Tall. Opposite of tall is short. Dry. Opposite of dry is wet. Pull. Opposite of pull is push. Cold. Opposite of cold is hot. Empty. Opposite of empty is full. Soft. Opposite of soft is hard. Day. Opposite of day is night. Large. Opposite of large is small. Open. Opposite of open is close. Few. Opposite of few is many. Up. Opposite of up is down. Hey kids, it's your turn. A. Tall.
Short.
Very good. B. Dry.
Wet.
Yes. C. Big.
Small.
D. Open.
Close.
E. Up.
Down.
F. Full.
Empty.
Good job. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.